you've heard of Davinci Resolve, but you're not too sure how to download or install it? Well, today's your lucky day because this video will tell you exactly how to do that. The first thing to do is to go on the Davinci website. Davinci is a very complete solution used by professionals, but to get started, we're going to click on the free download now. We can also get Davinci Studio, which is a paid-for version, which is £245 here in the UK. I'm running on macOS, so I'm simply going to click on this. And then after I fill the form, simply click register and download, and then wait for the download to complete. Now, if you're running on Windows, that's going to be very similar, but in our case, we've got it here. It's a zip file, so I'm simply going to double click on it, going to extract it, and then I can simply double click again on the DMG file. I will have this little window popping up, double click on the installer. This window will appear, and then we can simply go through the different steps. We can read the important information if we want, but in our case, I'm just going to skip through, agree to the license, and then it's going to tell me it's going to take 5.86 gig of space on my computer. That's all fine. Install. And then after I provide my password for the computer, Davinci Resolve will install itself. It's fairly fast. It took really 1 or 2 minutes on my laptop today. And when the installation is done, we can simply close this window. Move it to the bin. We don't need the installer anymore, so that's completely fine. Let's clean after ourselves. But there we go, Davinci Resolve is now installed. We can close this, we can see that has been gone. I'll remove the zip file as well because we don't need it. But that's now Davinci Resolve installed. If I go into my list of application, I will be able to see that Davinci Resolve is here. I can go and open it, or you can simply do a command space, type Davinci Resolve, and we can now here open it. Once we open it, we're now greeted with this screen. We can simply click continue. And then before we can go through, we can do a quick setup. Let's Davinci Resolve kind of guide us through. In my case, I'm gonna work on 4K media most of the time. That's the location where I want things to be stored. That's completely fine. A lot of the default are there. If you want some shortcut, if you're coming from another software, you can adapt that as well. But otherwise, that's it. You're all set. You can get started with Davinci Resolve. Nothing more, nothing less. A quick and sweet one. You've now got Davinci Resolve ready. To learn how to use it, feel free to look into some of my other tutorials on my channel. But otherwise, I will see you in the next one.